Happy birthday, Ate Isha! Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Mag-ingat ka palagi and we miss you. Happy birthday, girl. I miss you. More birthdays to come. Andito lang ako palagi. Alam mo na yun. Stay pretty.
Happy 18th birthday, Isha. We wish you a happy birthday and may you have many opportunities in life. And I hope you're always doing great in Dubai. And I hope you're always staying healthy. We love you and we miss you.
Hi Isha, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to adulthood. I know your mom is so proud of the fine lady that you've become, and as your ninang, I'm equally proud of you. Just continue being yourself, a truly good person. Keep chasing your dreams and following your heart desires. Please know that I am always here no matter what. God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Isha! So, sana masaya ka dyan. We wish you a happy birthday and sana ma-enjoy mo 18th birthday mo. Hindi ko inisip na bulol ako. Tapos, good luck sa school, college, at pagbutihin. Tapos, ano pa ba? Papakabait. Enjoy life. And
Happy birthday, Asia! We wish you all the best things in life. Bawi kami sa next vacation natin. And super excited na kami sa pagbalik mo dito at lalo tigal ka na. Ayun lang.
ayun lang. Yun lang. Bye!
See you!
Isha, happy birthday. Belated happy birthday. Mag-aral kang mabuti at nawa ang dasal ko ay lagi kang maging masaya at makatapos ka na yung pag-aaral. Bye! Happy birthday uli!
Hi, Asia. Hello. Happy birthday. Pakabait ka. Mag-aaral ka mabuti.
Hi ka, hi!
Hi!
Pag ano, hi ka, hi!
Hi!
Pag ano,